Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. But we're gonna use this one tonight from the new home collection, There's No Place Like Home, and this fantastic lace. Look at that, y'all. I can't get over this. Cannot get over how pretty that is. Okay, now, we'll see if my brain can function and figure out how I want to do this. I got a 16-inch round, which just, this fits almost like perfectly if I can get it lined up just right, with a 16-inch round. So let's go ahead and get the bottom. Did I do that right to do the color? Yes. All right, so we're gonna use some vintage duck egg. I love lace, anything lace. I mean, it can be the Halloween lace, all the laces, y'all. I always call it vintage blue, but there it is right there, y'all. I think the stain will be pretty. I think I'm gonna like the stain. So I'm using a water-based stain. I do not use oil-based stain anymore. I used to use oil-based stain all the time. I had to work outside with it because it's so smelly. But water-based stain now is pretty much all that I work with. All right, I'm just drying that and rubbing that in. We got a couple little knots on here, but y'all, that gives it some of the character. So we've got our stain and then our blue. Take this off. Okay, so now we're gonna come back and we're gonna do this gorgeous lace. Give me some hearts if y'all love this. I am obsessed with this lace. I love it. Now, which is the right side? I don't know. Let me see, y'all. It looks like I had it right the first time. Make sure. Yeah. Okay. I have my marker? I don't have my marker. I was gonna say I was gonna mark it, but we'll be fine. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. I'm gonna reuse our tape here and I'm just gonna hold that down. All right, gonna load up my paint and I'll show y'all if it ever looks like that, guys. Do not stencil with it like that. You want to offload that paint. You're gonna work it up into the bristles. You can kind of see on the side how it's working down those bristles. That's what we want. So if you need some hearts, you'll see that. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna offload it. Offload the sides, all the things, and then our brush is ready to stencil. We are gonna stencil dry brushing almost identically. Don't go back over your initial white coat until it dries, or you're just gonna be spreading the paint around and not get a real good All right, are you ready? It's so dreamy. Can y'all see it? So dreamy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, and what I was saying is when I lined it down, I didn't bring it down just enough, so I have a little bit extra right here, and then right here, it's a little bit skinnier, but when we outline it, it will be fine. Nobody will notice that, but probably me and y'all, because I pointed it out to y'all. Is that not gorgeous? Yeah. And then we'll stencil in. I love it. There is nothing better than stain in whites. That pop of white. Look how pretty that is. There's no place like home. I know it's backwards. I know that's awful, but I know Essential Stencil will flip it around on the replay. So we've got that gorgeousness. And then if we want to fill it in, we can. If we want to take, I need to get some lighter sandpapers, but this is like an 80, so I don't want to put it on there. But if you have like a 200, just do a light sanding on it. And y'all, that is gorgeous. Love it. I hope y'all love it. All right, guys, let's grab. This is a 12 by 16. We're going to do this one now. We're going to do the big, glorious one, y'all. Give me some hearts. Is that not fantastic? I think Essential Stencil outdid themselves on these, y'all. All right, guys, so I am not worried about painting the entire thing, okay? So you'll see here, I'm leaving some of the edges exposed, and then I'm just kind of dragging my paint, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See how we're leaving some areas exposed? This is where the stain is gonna pick up even more, okay? So you can see, got some spaces in there. Remember, it's a background. We're gonna have a transfer on it. We're not gonna see all the imperfections that we may see before we set it down. And now I'm gonna come through with my brown. Don't freak out, I promise it'll be okay. Y'all, I'm sweating now. Sweating. And see, it's just giving us a cool background as much as we keep wiping it back. So I'm gonna get this side exactly how I want it, then I'm gonna do the other side. However you want to achieve the look. All right, guys. Now, when you do transfers, they do tend to show up better on lighter backgrounds, okay? And I know that looks terrifying, guys, but it's really not. So, what do we always say when we use our transfers? We want our surface completely dry. We put a lot of water on this board, so we are gonna make sure that it's very, very dry before we start doing this transfer, y'all. Okay, guys. So when we're working with a transfer that's big like this, all I do is I make sure that when I peel it back, I flip it over, and then I can place it how I want to place it. I'm just really making sure that's dry. That's my only thing in life. I gotta make sure it's dry. All right, so we're gonna peel it back. Well, let me see how I want to hold this, y'all. We're gonna hold it by the sides, and I'm gonna bring it right about here. And I start at the top and then go to the sides. And we are good. All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? So we'll just remove this carrier sheet. Oh, that looks so good. And then all I'll do is I'll take my hand and kind of rub it over, make sure everything is good. Y'all, I can't. How awesome is that with that background? What do y'all think? I love it. I love it. All right, so there is that transfer, which is available now. And then, of course, we used the new Everyday Home collection for this one. There's No Place Like Home, with the gorgeous new lace round. And y'all know I've used the other lace, which is really hard to do with rounds. So this kind of gives us that round feeling on here. So what do y'all think? Are y'all excited? Get excited, y'all. Give me some hearts, give me some red, white, and blue for this one. This turned out amazing. Fun stuff coming up with Essential Stencil, so make sure to keep your eyes open to all the things, guys. And I will see y'all over here next Friday at 7 p.m. Central. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Bye, guys.